Big consumer news tonight that impacts everyone. Inflation is now at a 40-year high. It impacts everything from rent to grocery store trips, and any raise you might get will be wiped out because everything is costing more. Well, when we get complex financial news like this, we turn to our friend Caleb Silver with Investopedia. He helps break down these tough issues for us, help to understand. So, Caleb, we get this news, 40-year high with inflation. Already, Wall Street is just going crazy, right?
Yeah, everybody was sort of expecting a big number, but we got 7.5% inflation. We have not felt inflation this high since 1982. That's 40 years, and you're feeling it everywhere you go, from energy prices to home heating oil prices to the grocery store to appliances and furniture. Everywhere you shop, you're spending more money.
A big way we see inflation day to day is at the grocery store. So let's take a look at a receipt for about a family of 4 in 2019. You can see it was over $10,000 a year, about $900 a month, $224 a week for groceries. That's 2019 for a family of 4. Let's look at 2021. You can see how much it rose. Over $13,000. That's over $1,100 a month, $282 a week, a yearly difference of $2,772 more that you're paying in groceries because of inflation. So what's making it rise? Well, take a look at the big products. We can see that meat, poultry, fish, eggs up 12.2%. Also, bakery products and cereals, that's up too, almost 7%. And fruits and vegetables, 5.6%.
The most expensive things at the grocery store are meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. You could go on a vegan diet for a few weeks. You could not have that every single night. You could also buy in bulk from some of those bulk retailers. Avoid the middle of the grocery store where a lot of those costs are rising, and stick to the outside, and that'll help you bring down costs. You're going to see inflation continue in some areas, particularly in food and maybe in energy prices, which are two key components of where we spend money. But the Federal Reserve, our central bank of the United States, is going to raise interest rates beginning in March. And what that does is it makes borrowing costs go up. And when borrowing costs go up, consumers think twice about making that car purchase, making that home purchase, making those big ticket purchases. That will cool prices. Will it bring them all the way down? Probably not, but it'll definitely bring a chill to them.
But still just ride it out stock market wise. Don't try to sell off anything yet.
Absolutely. This is a time for investors to just be patient. You're not going to time the market. You shouldn't make trades or investments based on inflation unless you're making a multi-year decision and that you want to position your portfolio around it. But you're going to see choppiness in the markets all the time. Choppiness is a feature of the stock market, not a bug. We haven't had it in a while, but we're having it now. For long-term investors, be patient. Take your time, keep investing, and keep your eyes on the prize long-term.